Okay, we're going to talk about the push press. So when you are unloading from the rack, you want to have a little bit of room where you can be squatted underneath and come into the bar underneath. This is our first point where we're going to try and make contact with the shoulders as the shelf for the bar rather than the hands. So instead of gripping the bar with the hands and pulling it out like that in the arms, you're going to use the rack position already as a way to set your foundation for your front rack. So feet come underneath, relax the fingers and let it roll right back into the fingers above the knuckles. And then that proud chest lifts the shoulders, and the shoulders are what lifts the bar out here. Okay, so one more time. Instead of here, or even both feet underneath, but picking it up and squeezing with the hands and it having all the tension in the hands. Coming underneath, roll the fingers back, shoulders here. Stepping back from this position, you're going to trust that you're going to keep the bar in the fingers here and not grip with the arms tight so the elbows come down, as you can see there. From this position, I think about drawing a circle with my elbows. They go in, out, and down. So I really feel that almost on the bones on the top of my shoulders and my clavicle. And from this position here, I dip vertically. Rather than letting myself dip forward, I'm dipping vertically. Okay, the dip and the drive, if you're looking from the side, wants to be a nice straight line of the bar. And then my arms take over after my legs have driven. So this part here, dip, drive, you can see the bar wanted to lift off my shoulders, even just using the legs. Still back in my fingers. So draw the circle, dip, drive, and then the arms take over once the bar is off the shoulders. To come down, start to load the bar here, come up to meet the bar, and cushion. I'll do a few reps, okay? Okay, next up I'm going to put a little side by side of the reps of how I'd like you to be trying to achieve them versus a arm heavy approach. So watching that side by side now. You can see from the side by side that when my arms and my hands take over, the elbows come forward and the bar is like forward of my center of mass in a less than ideal position. So the whole goal of having those shoulders protracted here is so that the shoulders become the shelf for the bar, not the hands. Okay, hope that helps.